Hi guys, so now we are going to be setting up this mechanical radio boo inflating machine. As you can see, look at this beautiful boo machine. As you can see how beautiful it is. Take a look at this. Very beautiful. Can you see? So beautiful. As you can see, this is the boo and herein is the machine. Now this is the control machine also, where we control the necessary things, the starting power, the radio and everything. Now take a look at this also. This is the air blower we use to power up the inflating pump, inflating castle, as you can see. Now come with me as we start to set up this beautiful rodeo pool machine. So as you can see, this is the mechanical rodeo inflatable pool machine. Very beautiful, as you can see. Then this is the control machine. As you can see, look at the buttons. Now, so what we are going to be doing is setting everything up. We are going to be connecting everything, as you can see. We are going to connect everything. See? Okay. See it? That's right. So this is the next setup we need to do. Then we tighten this. As you can see, then this is the third one. As you can see. Then we tighten this. Then this the last part fixing. You can see. So do this way. Then screw this part this way. Just a little bit others. Then we plug it. What is that? This is it. Then plug it. Get ready. We are going to replace it and you're going to see how beautiful this is. This is the part we've set it now. Come, let's see the next thing we do. This part is going to get inflated. This part is going to get inflated. So it's going to be fun. As you can see it, now the parts here is going to be inflated. So this is the air blower to blow it up. To blow the inflatable part up, then you see the fun we are having on the boo machine. Alright, so if you want to operate it, as you can see now, everything is inflated, so you can see it's coming up. Yeah, as you can see it's coming up. Now, let us see how we are going to operate it. Once you do, yes, he has turned it on, as you can see, it's on now. So once we do jog, we press. Now, this is what the jog looks like. This is what the jog looks like. Then we increase the speed a little. Then this is what it looks like. Can you see? Can you see how beautiful that is? Yeah, the kids are having fun. Woo! They're having fun. Yeah, as you can see, it's part of the fun. He's enjoying himself. Yeah.